Paper towels are poisoning our environment. The paper towels that are sitting on the kitchen counter, in your washroom cabinet, or even at your workplace may seem to be a normal necessity in your everyday life. But do you know that those are the very same paper towels you're using regularly do a massive damage to you and to our environment? To make 1 ton of paper towels, 17 trees have to be destroyed. 20,000 gallons of water are polluted, which is enough water to feed a community of 40,000 people. To make matters worse, decomposing of paper towels produce methane gas, a leading cause of global warming. According to the Stanford magazine, an online publication released by the University of Stanford, paper towels contribute to methane emissions in two main ways. First, when paper towels are disposed of in landfills, they can break down and produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas that is more harmful to the environment than carbon dioxide. Second, the production of paper towels requires energy, and the use of fossil fuels in the production process releases methane into the atmosphere. Methane is a major contributor to climate change as it absorbs heat more effectively than carbon dioxide and can have a warming effect on the planet. In addition to its impact on the environment, methane can also have negative health effects when it is released into the air. It can irritate the nose, eyes, and throat, and long term exposure has been linked to certain health conditions such as headaches and nausea. But it gets even worse. Every household uses chemical cleaner to clean their homes, which may damage your health and your body. Have you ever looked at the label of your favorite cleaner? If not, you should. Every bottle of everyday household cleaning products has a poison symbol printed on their label. This is because most household cleaning products contain toxic chemicals that can wreak havoc on one's health. In fact, these big corporations are not legally required to list the ingredients on their product. Why? Quite simply, these chemicals are proven to be dangerous. Many chemical cleaners contain harmful ingredients that can have negative effects on human health. These chemicals can be inhaled, ingested, or absorbed through the skin and can cause a range of symptoms from mild irritation to more serious health problems. One of the main ingredients in our household cleaning products is a chemical called formaldehyde. What's so bad about formaldehyde? The EPA reports that formaldehyde causes cancer in animals and may do so in humans. Formaldehyde is the same chemical used to preserve dead bodies for dissection. In addition to severe allergic reactions, this gas can also irritate your breathing and cause nausea. And there's a problem with this chemical. It smells really bad. To solve this problem, companies use other nice smelling chemicals that cover up this toxic smell. Whenever you see the word fragrance on the list of ingredients in a product, it looks quite innocent. However, it's by far one of the most toxic chemicals in existence. They use it to cover up the smell. Formaldehyde is just one of the many chemicals found in a bottle of household cleaning products. In fact, there's an extensive list of different chemicals that are used in cleaning products, and the specific ingredients can vary depending on the type of product and its intended use. Some common chemicals found in cleaning products include chlorine, a strong oxidizing agent that can be harmful if ingested or inhaled. It can cause respiratory problems, skin irritation, and allergic reactions. Ammonia, a strong alkaline compound that can be irritating to the skin, eyes, and respiratory system. It can also release toxic fumes when mixed with certain other chemicals. Phenols, a group of chemicals that are used as disinfectants and can be harmful if ingested or inhaled. They can cause respiratory problems and skin irritation. Sodium hydroxide, a strong alkaline compound that can cause skin irritation and burns. It is often used in drain cleaners and oven cleaners. Triclosan, an antimicrobial chemical that is used in some household cleaners and personal care products. It has been linked to hormonal disruptions and antibiotic resistance, and many more. So, what can you do right now to save your health, your money, and eliminate the use of paper towels and toxic chemical cleaners? Over the past several years, we have been researching for a solution that can forever eliminate the use of paper towels and toxic cleaners in order to protect our planet and the health of our families. However, we don't just find a typical replacement. We want to create an innovation that cleans better than virtually any cleaning products on the market. More importantly, it must be 100% reusable and harness the power of Mother Nature. Finally, it must be innovative, state-of-the-art fabric that can clean virtually anything with water. It's even called the magical towel. Introducing the revolutionary Nano Towels. A magical towel cleans with only water, replaces expensive paper towels and toxic cleaners, and can help save you hundreds of dollars per year while saving our environment. It saves you money by ending your need of expensive paper towels, captures liquid, dust, dirt, and grime like a magnet, and without toxic chemicals. Reduces your usage of paper towels that's damaging our environment. Cleans virtually anything with just water. Absorbs up to 10 ounces of liquid without a single drip. Made with nanolone fiber, a unique and revolutionary fabric technology that is hundreds of times finer than one human hair. To learn more about this magical towel, click the link in the description or the first comment. It cleans virtually anything with just water. The Nano Towels has a proven breakthrough technology that captures liquid dust, dirt, and grime like a magnet. You can use it to clean and dry virtually any surface without paper towels and without toxic chemicals. When it becomes dirty, you just wash it and use it again. This is not old, common microfiber cloth. The Nano Towels is a new next generation technology that's proven in laboratory testing to clean as well or better than chemical cleaners and paper towels using only water. Take a look at how powerful Nano Towels are below. What to do now? Now imagine never having to pay for paper towels and toxic chemical cleaners again, never having to put the health of you and your family at risk. If you've watched this far, you can be one of the few lucky people to join the massive movement today and to cancel paper towels and toxic chemical cleaners. End the madness and start saving money and your health right now. Click the link in the description or the first comment. For you and your family and countless others, the Nano Towels have been a game changer. It's not just about the money saved, most of all, it's about the health benefits. You can sleep at night knowing your family is one step towards living in harmony with nature instead of chained to toxic, death dealing chemicals. Take a look at some of the recent reviews of customers that have used and purchased Nano Towels. To grab your Nano Towel or to learn more and read more about the amazing testimonials, click the link in the description or the first comment and stop using damaging paper towels today.